In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add FAQ schema via a hidden rich text embed in Webflow. Open the Webflow website, hover over your project, and click Open in Webflow. Wait for the designer canvas to finish loading so the left toolbar and site content are fully visible. In the left toolbar, click the CMS icon, the one that looks like a database. In the Collections list, click Blog Posts. Next, to create new blog post, click the Settings gear. In the Collection Settings panel, scroll down to Fields and click Add New Field. From the field type options, choose Rich Text. In the Label field, type FAQ schema, then leave the field optional and do not turn on Required. Click Save Field, then click Save Collection. This adds a new field to every blog post item in the collection. Stay in the CMS panel and click a blog post item. Refresh the page so the new field appears correctly, then wait for the page to load again. Scroll until you see the new FAQ schema field, and click inside it to open the Rich Text editor. In the Rich Text toolbar, click the plus button. From the Insert menu, choose HTML Embed. An empty embed block will appear inside the Rich Text area. Paste your schema into the HTML Embed editor inside that field, then click Save and Close. The CMS will auto-save. In the Rich Text field, you should now see a gray / placeholder, which confirms the embed is there. Now click the CMS icon again to close that panel. Then open the Pages panel from the left toolbar. Under CMS Collection Pages, click Blog Posts Template to open the template page. Open the Add Elements panel from the top left, then drag a rich text element onto the canvas and drop it anywhere inside the page body. With that rich text element selected, open the Element Settings panel on the right side. Under Rich Text Block Settings, click the small purple dot. In the drop-down list, select FAQ schema. The rich text element should now show the same gray embed placeholder on the canvas, which confirms it is pulling content from that CMS field. Keep the rich text element selected and open the Style panel. In the Selector field at the top, type a class name, then press Enter to create it. Scroll down to the Layout section. In the Display row, click None. The element disappears from the canvas, but it stays in the page HTML. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Once the site is published, any blog post with JSON-LD pasted into the FAQ schema field will output that schema in the rendered HTML, hidden from visitors and readable by Google.